COVID-19 has affected our department in several ways. The first is our staff. We've had to implement new protocols to make sure they stay safe and make sure that anyone in the community they come in contact with is safe as possible. We've implemented numerous cleaning measures at all our facilities and offices. The second one would be our community centers. We've had to limit which ones are open. We've got that down to 5 right now, and the 5 that are open have basketball gyms or fitness areas. The other centers are available for rent. You'll have to call our main office number at 228-868-5881. And with the rental, of course, there are limitations on the amount of people and the type of events that we can host there. The third would be parks, our green spaces, which includes splash pads, playgrounds, pavilions. In a time like this, these are the most heavily used areas. People just want to get out of the house and get some sunshine and let the kids run free. But there are limitations to these as well. Hopefully that'll change soon. The third would be the sportsplex. We actually had to shut it down for a couple months, and just recently, a few weeks ago, opened it back up with fairly strict limitations based on the governor's orders. We've got plenty of signage around. We've had to train staff. We've had to shut down a certain seating area to make sure people are social distancing. And so far, promoters are following it really well. They're just ready to get back to the ball fields. Number 4 would be special events. We've had to cancel some events based on the governor's orders, to make sure we keep everybody safe. Some of our events have a lot of people attend them, and social distancing just wasn't an option at the time. Fortunately, we got to recently open up Cinema by the Shore a few weeks ago. That was a good success. We were allowed to have social distancing there, and people were following it really well. And this is something that we're seeing at our facilities, our parks, the sportsplex events, that people are actually trying to follow the guidelines. And if that's wearing masks or if that's social distancing, they're following the best they can. Services, we've had our senior center shut down for the last several months, and that has made an impact in our community, of course. But fortunately, through city staff and support from locals in the community, we've been able to reach out to these seniors, check on them. We've had food assistance delivered to them. We care about them, and we're ready to get the senior center open back up, but only when it's safe. It's been really tough, dealing with our staff. I'm so thankful to them, because it seems like every week we're given new direction, and this thing's been changing constantly. And I can't speak more highly about our staff and how they've adjusted to the changes without any hesitation. And we are a customer service department, so it's important that we provide safe opportunities to citizens and to our staff. But I really am appreciative of everything that they've done throughout this whole process.